So guys, how are you doing? Yeah, so now we have a question here on the chalkboard. We really have, this is a problem concerning to integral. So we have that kind of question there on the chalkboard. We are going to deal with this question so that everyone should be able to solve a kind of this integral question. Please don't miss. I invite or encourage everyone. You see that there are issues of network. So we are going to solve this one by finding finite solution about this integral. Yes. Yeah, hello to. How are you doing for others, please? So, guys, don't go without subscribing on our platform. Remember, as I told you, as you see the thumbnail, it is a platform where we share a contents, different contents concerning to mathematics. So, for those who are new, don't miss and share these videos to your colleagues, whether it is most helpful, right? Please, as you see here on the chalkboard, we have that kind of integral question letting it is the finite one where we are going to solve this and finally we should get an exact number. Yes. For those who are new, don't you move without subscribing. Don't go without subscribing, and you have also to, so that you have to support me, please. It is better to support me. Thank you very much. Comment box. Hello, hello. Thank you very much. Hello. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. So long time, please. Where have you been for the one who called the Tawo? You have missed, dear friend. I missed you. Please, among four persons, only one has just tapped on like. Others, tab on like. Tab there. Tab there, please. Tab on like. Yeah, we are here. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. You have missed. You have missed. Yes, I missed you too. Thank you. Thank you. I did. Oh, good. Solution. I call my friends. Sure. Sure. Thank you very much. Should I call? Should I call my friends? Of course, do it. Don't worry. Do it, please, don't worry. Do it, don't worry. Others. Tao, you're welcome, do it. Please, for those who are new, tap on like. And you have also to subscribe. Do it, please, go ahead. You're just saying, should I call you my friend? Yeah. Thank you very much. If it is what you're going to just to say. Others, dear friends, dear my followers, students, others, just we're dealing with this question. That is what we're going to deal with, where we have this is definite integral. We are going to see how should we find the final answer relating to this finite integral, right? So now I was telling you that firstly, you have to make this equation into this form, right? The one that you have here on the chalkboard. Finally, if you just finish to integrate it, you have to substitute. There's a two intervals, right? Then the solution will be a number, only a number. Yes? Where last time we have seen it will be just about it. We have finally we have to add cost plus c. Yes, that's what we have seen last time. But finally, it will be any number. It should be 0. It depends. 2, 4, and so forth. Any number. So it depends on the solution that you're going to get. Right? For this, where we have an interval, finally, the answer will be a number. So hi. So now let us continue. Let us continue about this equation. I was telling you that, you see, this is a quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, what we're going to see or to do, first, this is quadratic. In a quadratic equation where we have x squared minus 3x plus 2. So here on this x squared, quadratic equations are equations whose power is equal to this number 2. So now on the x square, its factor or its coefficient, it will be h, right? Here we find the h. On where we have x, we find b. And that's one where we don't have an unknown, it is c. So now it means that on a square we have a is equal to 1. Sorry, on x square, a is equal to 1. The coefficients of this x square is equal to 1. Are you together? So b, it is minus 3, right? Then c is a plus, this is c, is plus this number c, which is equal to 2. So now, what we're going to do here, as I told you here on this question, we are going to find two numbers, right? Two numbers where you make multiplication of those two numbers is equal to 2c. As we have here, c is equal to plus 2, right? And there's those two numbers, also their summation is equal to b. It means it is minus 3, right? What are those two numbers? Another things that I have to remind you, those two numbers will be a factor of this c. That is what we are going to focus on for finding those two numbers. Clear? Then here you have to see factors. These are factors of plus 2. How are they? The first factor, it will be plus or minus 1, and that number itself, it is plus or minus 2. Yes, we have to take, for example, those two, it is minus 1, for example, right? Minus 1 times minus 2. You see, those two numbers are the factors from these two, because you have seen those factors. Here we have four factors, plus 2 minus 1. You see? Now, how are they? It will be plus 2. Is it clear for this? Thank you very much. It is two network issue. Let's keep waiting whether network should turn back. Yes, write in the comment, please, for those who are new. Those who are new, don't go without subscribing. Let us go. Whenever we have kind of this question, how factors that we were dealing with. Yes, them and continue by finding an integral of that question. Now let's have over x minus 2. Yes, among those factors, each letter with each letter with each term. So that is what we are going to apply here on the above question, right? Now you have to guess what the next one. So now let us go. We have this kind of a question. So now we're going to find the denominator, common denominator between x minus 1 and x minus 2. Allow me please to write this first one. It is x plus 1 over x squared minus 3x plus 2, which is equal to common denominator, it is x minus 1 times x minus 2, right? Then let's take this denominator over this x, we remain with x minus 2. X minus 2 times this h is h times x minus 2, right? Plus, this is plus this factor over this x minus 2. We have to cancel the similar factor and remain with x minus 1, yes, times b it is b times x minus 1. You have to cancel them. Finally, we still have x, yes, x plus 1, which is equal to a times this factor x minus 2 plus b times x minus 1, right? That is what you have here, yes? Then let us continue. And let us continue. Yes, we should continue by just writing it. It is x plus 1, which is a times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 1. Right? Now here, what we are going to do, we are going to multiply this a to this factor and b to this factor 1. Are we together? So let's take x plus 1, which is a times x, we remain with this is ax, the one who just write in there something. Can you explain one more time? No, it was the network issue, please. It was a network issue. That's why I did it again. Don't worry. Yes. It is a times this ax minus 2s plus b x minus b. Right? So now here we are going to see the factors which has the similar unknown and the one which has not the similar one. So you see here we have unknown one, and here there is, and this one there is also unknown one. We have just to combine those two, unknown one and remain with x, which is equal to ax, right, plus this bx. We remain with another term here. It is one which is, this is minus 2a minus b, right? Remember, we are dealing with definite integral, not indefinite. We have seen about indefinite. We are dealing with definite, right? So now here we are going to factorize this one, because here common factor is x. That's why we are going to factorize this x. Then we remain with please, for those who are new, tap on like, and also you have to subscribe and tap on like and try to share this. So now let's rewrite the question that you have here. It is x, which is ax plus b x, and 1 is equal to minus 2a minus b, right? Then let us factorize this. Let me back down here. Then it is simultaneously where we have, this is x in the factor of 1, because 1 times x remain with this x. It will be x in the factor of a plus b, right? And here it is 1, which is minus 2a minus b, right? So we have to simplify this, and to that one we remain with 1 is equal to a plus b, and the 1 here it is minus 2a minus b. You see, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We are going to use one among many methods for doing this simultaneous equation, right? Then after we have to continue. Yes, for those who are just reaching on our platform, thank you very much. It is your most supporting. Thank you. You are welcome also on our platform where we share different contents concerning to mathematics. Also, a new tab on like and subscribe. So I was telling you that this is where the question one it is this line and the question two it is the second line. We have many methods for just doing this simultaneous question. Let's use elimination one, right? For elimination one or elimination method, you have to take a number and multiply to the first question and another number to multiply the second question and see where there is a similar number and different signs you have to cancel them. So here you see I have minus 1b and plus 1b. I have to use elimination. This and this one is equal to 0 and I remain with this plus this is equal to 2, which is a minus this is minus a. Are you together? A minus this a minus 2a. Here there is a plus. This is 1 minus 2. It means this different signs you have to subtract those numbers, right? And like the sign which is on the biggest number. You see, that is what we have here similar to this one. A is equal to, this is A, it will be minus 2. It is a question number 3. Then let's take this now equation number 3 and substitute it into our equation among those two equations. It is now it is A, which is A is minus 2. We have seen this is question number 3. Then we are going to take this question number 3 and substitute it into those two equations. You should only take one among those two equations. Yes? Let's take this first line, the first equation. Let's take equation number 3 into equation number 1. Right? Then it is, how is number 1 is A is equal to A plus B. Then where A is, we have to put this minus 2. Then 1 is equal to minus 2 plus B. Right? Now, let us create this next part. Please, I need your like, please. You have, please write something there. Another one, where are you from, brother? I'm the one from Rwanda, in Africa continent. Yes? Where are you from? I am the one from Rwanda country in Africa continent. Other ones, and you are the one from where? Now we have 1 is equal to minus 2 plus b, where we are going to collect similar terms. I am from India. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Is this different from definite integral? Also, we are dealing with definite. They are the same. We start on finding an integral without there's two boundaries. Then after finding an integral, we will just use these intervals by substituting them in our completed integral. Thank you very much. They are both the similar. Yes, if you are new on our platform, please subscribe and tap on like. Also, you have to comment in the comment box. Thank you very much for those who are new. You're welcome. So now you see this number similar to this one because it has this variable. Then, yes, other one, they keep it up. You are doing great, dude. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Thank you very much. Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed, dear? Yes, the E1 Lord. I am asking you whether you have subscribed. Yeah, thank you very much. Much. I respect you. Where your home country? We need to know your home country, please. The F Lord. Yeah, I subscribed. Yeah, thank you, India. Oh, good. Many people, they are the ones from India. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The same as the other guys. Of course, I see. I subscribe to India, me too. Thank you. I like the way you're supporting me. You are the ones who tried, please, to see what I'm just uploading on my platform. Thank you very much. I like the way you're supporting me. Yes? Others. Yes, so now let us continue and collect. We will discuss, please, after doing this question. Let's continue.